guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to share your account on your profile section on your account on Rednote easy and quickly. So as you see, first of all you have to enter the Rednote application, and now you are on the home section. You will go to the profile, and then as you see here you will find this share section or whatever is this. Here you can copy the link of your profile, or share your profile to anyone you want, or your QR code. So that's it. That's how to find your or how to share your account on anyone you want. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.